This video is on naming alcohols. When naming alcohols, we look for the longest carbon chain that has the hydroxy substituent on it, and we choose that as the backbone. We then must number the chain with the hydroxy group having the lowest number possible, that is. The suffix we use is "all". Let's get right to it. Name these alcohols. You may pause now. And here are the answers. There are three types of alcohol that you will come across. We have primary alcohols where the hydroxy group is at the end of the chain, secondary alcohols where the hydroxy group is on the chain, and tertiary alcohols where the hydroxy group is on a carbon with 3 other carbons bonded to it. Identify all the different alcohols in the following structure. You may pause now. And here are the answers.